You're strapped into a pair of goggles, the world around you blurring into a whirlwind of speed and color. Your heart races as you dive through narrow gaps in an abandoned warehouse, pulling off flips that defy gravity. No hands on a controller, just pure instinct, pure adrenaline. That's the magic of FPV flying. And right now, in 2025, the drone that's about to explode that experience wide open, it's the DJI Avata 3. Leaked specs are hitting the internet like a storm, and if even half of them are true, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly why you need to wait for this beast, how it'll transform your flights, and what secrets DJI is hiding that could make you the envy of every pilot in the skies. You won't want to miss a single twist. Trust me, the reveals keep coming. Let's rewind for a second, because to truly grasp why the Avata 3 feels like destiny, you have to feel the pulse of what came before. Picture 2022. DJI drops the original Avata, and suddenly, FPV isn't this clunky, nerve-wracking hobby anymore. It's accessible. It's cinematic. That bullet-style design, the integrated goggles, the way it crashes and bounces back like it's laughing at you, pure genius. Then boom, 2024 hits with the Avata 2. Faster at 97 kilometers per hour, a rock-steady 1/1.3-inch sensor spitting out 4K at 60 frames, and flight times pushing 23 minutes. It wasn't perfect. Range topped out at 13 kilometers, low light could get grainy, and that wind resistance? It fought back hard on gusty days. But man, it hooked millions. Families filming epic backyard races, pros carving through urban canyons, adventurers chasing sunsets over canyons. If the Avata 2 was the gateway drug to FPV addiction, the Avata 3? It's the full-on rush that'll have you questioning everything you thought you knew about drones. But here's the hook that keeps pilots up at night. The leaks. Whispers from insiders, FCC filings popping up like breadcrumbs, test footage grainy, but tantalizing on Reddit threads. DJI's not saying a word officially, but the puzzle pieces are falling into place for a late 2025 drop. Maybe Q4. Right before the holidays, or slipping into early 2026 if regulations throw a wrench. Why the delay? Blame the chaos of US security bans rocking the industry this year. DJI's scrambling to encrypt everything, proving their drones aren't spying tools. But don't worry, that's actually making the Avata 3 tougher, smarter, ready for the real world. And the specs? Oh, they're the kind that make your palms sweat. Let's unpack them one by one, because each one's a game changer you'll replay in your mind during every flight. Start with the heart of any FPV rig, the camera. The Avata 2's sensor was solid, but imagine cramming a full 1-inch CMOS powerhouse into that same bullet body. That's the rumor screaming from every leak: bigger pixels, insane dynamic range, low-light performance that turns twilight chases into velvet-smooth masterpieces. We're talking 4K video at a blistering 120 frames per second for those buttery slow-mo dives, or even 8K bursts if you're feeling ultra-cinematic. HDR baked in, colors popping like fireworks, distortion corrected on the fly so your feeds look pro without post-edits. Picture this. You're weaving through a forest at golden hour, leaves blurring, sunlight piercing.